Hello and welcome to this overview video of ChronoGrapher. ChronoGrapher is a web tool in alpha for writers, world builders, and game masters, designed to help you organize your world and its history. The tool stores your data in your own Google Drive, so you always have full control over everything you create, and you never need to worry about losing your work. ChronoGrapher has three major design pillars. The first is the Wiki Engine, allowing you to write down and organize your notes, stories, and lore. The second is the interactive map. You can create infinite detail tilegrid maps, or import your own hand-drawn maps, and link them together with your wiki articles. The third is time, and your world's history. The aim of ChronoGrapher is to allow you to edit and track everything in your world, as it changes over its history. The Wiki Engine in ChronoGrapher functions much like the other major wikis on the web, like Wikipedia or Fandom. It takes a free-form approach to note-taking, with no railroading or forms to fill in. When you want to add a new article, you can simply create a link to it, and the system will automatically create the article for you. Linking to articles can be done using the mention system, but the mention system can do much more. If you have an article for your main character, you could add their name and date of birth as article properties, and then reference this information from anywhere in your project. The same goes for their appearance, relationship history, equipment, and anything else. You can then edit this information in a single location, and it will update everywhere. The same principle applies to templates. Templates are article snippets that you have formatted to your liking, that you can include in any article you like. This can be a table of content, info box, style formatting, and more. A similar system supports the creation of automatic lists, timelines, and calendar views. You could create an automatically updating list of all of your cities for easy reference. Whenever you create a new city article, or update an existing one, the list will automatically update itself. A unique feature of ChronoGrapher's wiki is the timeline tags. With this time tracking system, you're able to write your articles from the point of view of any moment in time. If one of your cities experienced a major fire, for example, you could write your article to reflect this only when viewing your article after the event has taken place. The way ChronoGrapher works is that you're always viewing your project at a specific in-universe date and time. Because time is an integral part of the tool, everything you create can be made to change when you change the date and time you are viewing. Of course, this system is entirely opt-in, and mainly for power users, but can be extremely useful when you want to engage with it. Next, we have the map feature. ChronoGrapher enables you to create interactive maps, where you can add article pins in key locations. You can import your hand-drawn maps, and use them as your world, dungeon, or battle maps. By placing article pins in interesting locations, you can quickly add a lot of information to your maps, and even chain maps together. If you don't have any pre-existing maps, or if you just need more, ChronoGrapher has a tilegrid editor. With the tilegrid editor, you can create a map of any size, and expand on it whenever you need. You're also able to create as many detail layers as you need, and a map that can go from covering the whole world down to a small dirt road village. These maps can be edited temporally as well, letting you change your world's landscapes and borders as time marches on. If you want to try the tool out for yourself, the playground is open for all. If you want to gain access to the closed alpha, you can support the project on Patreon.